Artisan-built communities is known for their amenities, and today I am here with Mickey from Heritage Pointe at the Georgian, and today we are at a very special place, the Frog Golf Course. So I want you to talk a little bit about this in reference to the community.
Well, I'm the new home specialist for Heritage Pointe at the Georgian. And Heritage Pointe at the Georgian is our little active adult community that will be 170 strong. And we rest inside the Georgian. The Georgian has their own amenities. We will have our own amenities. And this is just a huge perk, being able to come up and play golf. It's just one of those perks that has drawn a lot of people to us. Even people that don't play golf love it because it gives them that resort feeling.
Yeah.
And a feeling like they're on vacation all the time.
Yes, and I know you sort of mentioned that, you know, whether you play golf or don't play golf, this is such a great place for people to come. And I understand there's even going to be a pathway directly from the community to the Frog to be able to get here from your golf cart.
Yes, Greer. It's scheduled between lot 20 and lot 21. It'll be a path, and they can hop on their golf carts and they can come down, zoom down here, as we say, and they can have breakfast, they can have lunch, they can play golf. They can actually then take the tour back through what I consider is just a beautiful point of nature.
And you mentioned that this is a semi-private golf course, so can you explain what that means?
Well, obviously there's going to be people that will want memberships, and there will be people that will want to play when they want to play and when people come into town. So Monday through Sunday they are open to the public, as well as the restaurant, and the restaurant has amazing food.
Well, Mickey, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that want to learn more, so what is the best way to do that?
Best way to do that is to go to our website at discoverartisan.com, or you can call 678-915-9526.
Well, Mickey, thanks so much as always for being here with me today. And there truly are amazing amenities at Artisan-built communities, and you do not want to miss them. So come and check out Heritage Pointe at the Georgian today.